In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet P1006 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. The moment you have opened it, here at the search bar, please type for HP LaserJet P1006 printer driver and click on the enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you would be able to see a list of results. So from that, you need to navigate at the first one, which is under support.hp.com. Click on this link, which contains our printer software and driver. Okay, and there you'll be able to be navigated to this new page where you can see this printer driver, which is HP LaserJet P1006. So from that, you need to set your operating system first, which is the Windows 11. So click on choose a different OS here. Click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 11. Once you've set it, click on update. And then once you have set it here as a selected operating system, you need to scroll down here and navigate to driver product installation software. And there you can see basic drivers. And there you can see this basic driver where you can download it. So please click on this download. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. Okay, once you have downloaded it, copy and paste it here to the desktop. Okay. So once you have successfully moved it to the desktop, you need to double tap to unzip or extract the file, or either make a right click and then use the WinRAR tool if you have so, and then go with it. Use that to extract this one. So click on extract to and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. So once here, we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button to be updated for more tutorials like this. Okay, so by that you need to navigate here at the start, then you need to scroll up and click on the settings. I mean, make a right click at the start and go with settings. You can also press Windows key and I key in your keyboard, and in that way or manner you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now from here at the settings, please proceed to the left pane and locate for this Bluetooth and devices. And there you can see printers and scanners. Click on it. And from that, you need to locate for add device option. Click on it and wait until you can get to see an option where you can manually add a printer driver. So please click on add manually so that you can bring up a new window, which is this one, and locate for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on the next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So it could be one, two, or three. But if you have an HP port, then good, you can also use that. So go with next. Once you have set it, go with have disk and click browse. So we need to navigate to the desktop since our extracted file has been placed here. And then there you can see your extracted file double tapped and the driver, select it and click on the open and click on the OK. Once done, you need to proceed for the locating for your printer driver, which is the P1006. Once you've set it, click on next and click on next and wait until the installation process would be finished. Okay, so it will only take 2 minutes or less than that to do so. So please wait for a while. Okay, so once done, you can now click on next and go with finished. And there you have it. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet P1006 printer driver in your Windows 11. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.